We're here with Aaron.
Oh God.
Dylan. And me. This is Tidewater Fishing Tour. This is literally the Tidewater. It's high tide here in Norfolk. There's a doggy over there giving us barks. Ooh, that's a beautiful, like, scene with Dylan in it, dude. That's gonna be on River Monsters. So we're gonna catch saltwater fish today. I'm thinking we're gonna catch like speckled sea trout, some red drum, probably croaker and spot mostly though.
I got sunscreen.
Oh yeah, you're red as hell, dude. Anyway, we're gonna get to fishing.
There for a trolling motor.
Yeah, dude.
Where y'all want to go?
Where do you think we should go, Dylan?
He said the best spot he found is like if you go down that way in the river, it's like a little cove, and you fish out of the cove.
All right.
He caught this pretty big fish there.
Right, let's do it. What up, Duck?
Last video I was in, that's your video that's got the most views.
I know, because it was a challenge. So
Time to get people
yeah.
what you want.
So I think today Aaron suggested we should do a challenge. Whoever catches the most fish wins. I know it's a simple challenge, but you know, we got to figure out what kind of prize whoever wins gets, and it probably has something to do with social media or deleting a WoW account or something. So so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna strap this to my ass and we'll start fishing.
Go out this way.
Let's do it. Same, dude.
So what's the trick to fishing? Just let it sit?
Yep.
Okay.
Just let it sink to the bottom. Make sure your line's taut, which it's not. Ooh, there's a bald eagle.
Oh my God, it was I can't see. My son's my
You're good.
Oh, I know, he's surfing around.
He's gonna eat us, dude. He's gonna carry you away, Dylan. You're good. Just yeah. Oop. Oh, I thought something had mine. Hey, Aaron.
Yeah.
I would cast towards there.
Okay.
The sun's not out. It's pretty relaxed.
Yeah. You got it? Oh God, Jesus! It sounds like Godzilla. Woo! Not if you drink it like all the time, though.
Ooh.
Ooh!
Oh, yeah, got some.
Yeah. Is it gone? No, dude, you had a big, thick boy.
Yeah, that was a big boy.
You had a thickin'. What did you do, Dylan?
Oh my God, that boy was big.
Was it?
Yeah.
Did you see it? Did it take your
Oh.
bait? You still got it.
Small boy.
It's a spot croaker. Yep.
Take this thing off the hook.
I will.
I need gloves to do it. Got it.
Yep.
Stuff back in.
Oh, you got him. You got him good. All right.
Thank you.
All right,
One's in the lead.
everybody. This is a spot croaker. It's delicious, but this one's too small. So goodbye forever, my friend. Oh my God! Reel it in.
Oh my God.
Yo, yo, it's taking drag. Come on, Dylan, get it in, dude. It's taking drag. What could it be?
Should be like a fucking turtle.
No. Let's see it.
Oh my.
What is it?
I don't know. Holy fuck.
Oh, Dylan, stand up, stand up. Keep the rod up.
We should have brought it back.
Loosen the drag.
Loosen.
Loosen the drag.
Oh my God.
There you go, there you go. I just want to see what it is.
Fuck, man.
There you go. No, let it take drag. Let it take drag. It's probably a catfish.
Oh, it's an eel.
Oh no! No, it's not. It's a ray, dude.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Dude, don't put that stuff in this boat.
Wait. Yeah, just a stingray.
Fuck that shit.
You're gonna have to cut. You're gonna have to cut it. We did reverse murder on it.
Yeah. We're out by the bridge right now. Yeah, there's like a lot
Ooh!
of fish out here, man.
I got something.
I think Kevin just got something.
Oh, come on. Yeah, he's still on. He's still on.
Hold on a second. Here. I'll call you back.
Ooh! What is this? I think it's a speckled sea trout.
I'll take a picture.
He's gonna die.
Oh, dude, he's cool.
No, he's bleeding out.
Ooh, yeah.
Alright, I'm good.
Yep. This is the first ever speckled sea trout I've ever caught. They have nasty teeth. But that's that.
Use him as bait. Fucking whale shark. Oh my god.
Later, dude. Hopefully you survive. You got him?
I think so. Yep.
No! Oop, I got a bite too.
What is that then?
That is another spot croaker. Yeah, I can take it off for you. Yep. I'll get it in just a sec. You hear it? That's how you know it's a croaker. Actually, no, this is a regular croaker. This isn't a spot. See the way you hold these? If you do it upside down, you can push on their lip, ow, to get the hook out. It's really easy.
Okay. I'm gonna do the next one.
Okay.
Look at that. Big old fish right there.
Come on, open your mouth,
Bridge,
dude.
dude.
Huh?
That's a bridge.
Oh my god.
There we go. Little tiny teeth. Looking like bottom feeders. That's it. Alright. Alright, we're heading back. We had a good time. We caught a whole bunch of fish.
Yep.
But Aaron and I and probably Dylan too, we're going to see if we can catch anything offshore, because it's getting low tide. It's hard to get back to his place when it's low tide without getting muddy. So we'll see you when we see you.